Now, I want to point something out real quick. What this guy just said is wrong. But the snow depths decreasing, that's not going to happen. And I'm going to explain why after he said this.
We're going to see snow depths decreasing, anything between 25 and 75%, depending on the region. And obviously, that's going to then have a direct impact on revenue to the ski industry. So
For one, as more ice melts, it might get hotter and we might get some less snow for a few years. But that snow, after the ice breaks off and we have another La Nina effect, we're going to get more snow. It's going to cool down the ocean and it's going to help with big name storms. Again, every time the ice breaks off, we get snow. Every time it breaks off, it cools down the ocean. Makes it harder for big name storms to form. Sure, we're going to get more water and we're going to get more snow because of that too in the wintertime. We're going to have bigger rainstorms with more water, not just big name storms, smaller storms too. And we're also going to have bigger snowstorms. And as the more time goes on, eventually we're going to hit a cooling effect where the ice is going to start snowing a lot. And it's going to start less hurricanes and more snow. More and more snow. And less hurricanes and stuff like that. Eventually, once we start cooling down the planet from climate change and stuff, it will cause a global cooling, basically, on the Earth. And we'll start seeing a lot more snow than normal before the ice starts reforming, packing up. That means the snowstorms will be bigger, not smaller, like this guy says. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. I can already tell. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Plus, he mentioned the La Nina effect from last year, and why we didn't have big name storms. I talked about that back in 2020 or 2021, right after the ice broke off from the Antarctic. I clearly stated after the ice broke off that it would help the planet. Everybody was freaking out, saying, "Oh no, it won't! No, it won't!" Yes, it will. And I posted about that very publicly on my Facebook page. You can go look it up. You know where my Facebook page is. I've shared it in my past videos. Go look it up. But that's how it works. And that's how it's going to be working for the next few years. Or till once the cooling hits, once you start cooling down the planet, there's not gonna be as many big name storms, and then it's gonna be more snow. And it's gonna be a lot of snow. So you might want to get something more warmer. You might want to get ready for that because once it starts snowing a lot, solar panels are going to be pretty much